Right? And what was her sister?
Road trip. First at Tennessee, then Baltimore, then at
На кухню захожу, а тут вот такой вот. Лимон в шоке. Рыжик, вон, походу, ему не достался лимон. Рыжик, ты понимаешь, что лимон не еда? Ты понимаешь это? Что ты прячешься? Я тебе говорю, нельзя лимона есть. Стыдно, да? Стыдно, что ты так...
Охренеть. Rue, you already ate. You just ate 15 minutes ago. And I picked up the dishes already. Are you telling me you're still hungry? Oh my goodness.
Jittering, hot dog, bologna, macaroni, sitting out with the homies.
This my baby. And ain't nobody finna touch her.
Hi! Hi! Good morning!
Janice, get out of my salad. No. No. Get out of there. Quit stealing my lettuce. Janice. No. No, ma'am.
Hi, ma'am. Can I place an order?
Wow, my food looks really good. Oh God, she turned off the lights. Oh, she's really closing.
Her tablet has fallen over and she will not let me pick it up. Ah.
You let me try?
No, just Asha, come on. You can't watch it like that, baby. Asha, just let me fix it and you can keep watching. Yeah. One second, Mom. Asha, I'm just picking it up. I'm not taking it away. Asha, it's over. I know. Just let me pick it up. Oh, shit. It's okay. Asha, you need... Okay, you know what? You